Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from July's Boxycharm. This month's theme is fantasy. Let's take a look at what we have inside. We have the Farmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser, Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches, Dermelect Cosmeceuticals Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum, M2u Nyc Makeup Blending Sponge Set, and the $1 Billion Brows on Point Pencil. Unfortunately, there isn't much to work with in this month's box as far as makeup goes, but I'll still try out everything we received. First up, let's work on skincare. We have so many skincare products this month, and the first one we're testing out is the Farmacy Whipped Greens Cleanser. This is made for oily and combination skin, so I'm not sure how it's going to work with my dry skin, but I'll give it a go anyways. It's supposed to help clean pores and draw out dirt, oil, and impurities without overly stripping the skin. It's very creamy. I really like the consistency, and the foaming effect is a lot of fun. My skin feels super clean after cleansing, but it is kind of drying, honestly. Now I'm just going to go ahead and try out the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. This includes a little spatula and 30 pairs of eye patches. It's also the most expensive product in the box. If you know me, you know I love eye patches. They work wonders for my under eye area because of my dry skin and eye bags. Those eye patches help to reduce my puffiness quite a bit. Now it's time to try out the Dermelect Cosmeceuticals Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Outcrease is formulated with 3 types of retinol to effectively target fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. It sounds pretty harsh for my sensitive skin, but the micro-encapsulated delivery system is supposed to minimize the risk of skin irritation. Wow, that made my skin feel so smooth and hydrated. I've never felt anything like it, and I've honestly never had a retinol product not irritate my skin right away, so I'm interested in trying this one out some more. Now let's try out the M2u Nyc Makeup Sponges. The packaging is so stinking adorable. This set includes 4 latex-free makeup sponges in a variety of shapes. They are super soft and squishy. Let's see how big they get when we put them in water. Oh my gosh, it's getting so big. Wow. Wow, that completely doubled in size. Just look at the wet one compared to the dry one. It's so much bigger. The sponge blended out my foundation really nicely, but it is soaking up a lot of product. Finally, I'm applying the $1 Billion Brows on Point Micro Pencil. This is actually in the shade Taupe, but it doesn't look taupe at all. It actually matches my brow color pretty well. I love that it has the spoolie to brush the product through the brow as well. Here's the finished look using products from July's Boxycharm. Since I didn't have much to work with, I basically created a look inspired by the insert card. I wasn't impressed with this month's box because of the lack in variety of products. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.